Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine Steam error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, head down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar. From there, type in Task Manager to bring up the system utility. Once you see the Task Manager app appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. Now, within Task Manager, locate Steam in the list of running processes, right-click on Steam, and from the menu that appears, select End Task. This will force close the Steam application completely. Once you do this, Steam will automatically relaunch itself, which helps clear any temporary issues that might be causing the Wallpaper Engine error. Next, you'll want to make sure your Steam app is running the latest version, as outdated software can often cause compatibility issues. In the upper left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Check for Steam Client Updates. Steam will now scan for any available updates and install them if necessary. This ensures you're working with the most stable and compatible version of the platform. After that, in the upper left corner again, click on Library to view all your installed games and applications. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have Wallpaper Engine in my library list, but I'll walk you through the next steps as if I do. So let's pretend that I have Wallpaper Engine installed, or that I'm currently using it. What you'll need to do is right-click on Wallpaper Engine in your library, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings and options specific to Wallpaper Engine. In the left sidebar of this Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to tools that help verify and repair your game files. Now, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files or Verify Integrity of Software Files, depending on what you see. This process will scan all the files associated with Wallpaper Engine and replace any that are corrupted or missing. Give it a moment to complete, as this can take a few minutes depending on the size of the software. Once the verification is done, restart Steam completely and then launch Wallpaper Engine again to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, don't worry, there are a few more steps we can try. In the upper left corner, click on Steam again, and this time select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left panel of the Settings window, click on Downloads to access download-related options. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache, and right beside it, click the Clear Cache button. A confirmation prompt will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing the download cache can often resolve issues related to corrupted temporary files that Steam uses during downloads and updates. Now, still in the Settings window, click on Storage in the left panel. At the top of the Storage section, click the drop-down menu and select the local drive where your Steam and Wallpaper Engine are installed. On the right side of the screen, click the three-dotted icon to reveal more options, and from there, select Repair Library. This will initiate a repair process for all games and applications installed on that drive, fixing any underlying issues with the installation. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of Wallpaper Engine Steam errors. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.